Okay then, so you have questions, we have answers. So I want to show you why that you don't want to just stab an engine in and run it when you don't know what kind of shape it's in inside or its history or anything like that. So look at this. Now that engine is very clean inside, top and bottom. I look where the down in the crankcase looks good, but all these years of sludge have ended up down in the oil pan, and you see that indentation that looks like a half circle. That's where the bottom of the oil pump pickup rests against all this stuff, and so if you were to run it, then it would have a good chance of picking that stuff up. And plus, ever since I saw that roadkill episode where they blew that engine up in that Mach 1 because it had leaves or something in an oil pickup, I know better to do that. So I was worried about that. So anyway, so that's what it looks like. Yuck. Metro Chad would definitely call this sludge. Let's look here and see how thick this stuff actually is. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That had to be cleaned up. Yeah, buddy. That is years of baked on sludge and goo. Look, there's a big chunk just coming loose right there. That comes off and just sheets. Okay. Yeah, didn't smell burned or anything. So, and one tip I had about this that I figured I'd better look in here is I noticed the oil pressure light was taking a little while to bump off too long. It was taking too long. So. Okay, good thing I didn't just run that like that. It would have shortened its lifespan for sure. Okay. Put this on the list of stuff to be cleaned.